Sean Gervais at center ice against Cole Timken. Eye each other up. Oh, and Gervais comes in with a right immediately, and he stings him, and Gervais keeps swinging away and picks up the victory. Sean Gervais. What a punch right off the bat, and he gets the crowd fired up. Oh, and now the puck hops over the stick of Vandalise, but he gets it in the way, and Brodeur makes the save. At the point is Alex Young, drops it, Vandalise has it. Here's Vandalise, good look, out front, save made. What a save by Taylor Gauthier. At the left side by Francis. Francis lost it. It's up, short-handed breakaway for Wheeling. Save made by Jeremy Brodeur. No way. Here comes Francis. Francis, time winding down. Gervais with a shot. Glove save by Gauthier. My goodness, what is happening? That shot blocked. Brendan Les gets it back. Here come the Thunder. Gontus. It's Gontus and Greg Smith. Gontus, Smith, he scores! It is a 1-0 shutout. 34 saves for Jeremy Brodeur. And Greg Smith, the hero, in overtime. 1-0, Thunder win it.
Feel good, eh, boys? Good job, really good job. First, Keish, way to get us going. Yeah. Gibby's number wasn't even on the board this morning. He played pretty well. Yeah. Kick.
Don't come it on for now yet. Do like a quarter turn, kind of like this.
We want to change it up a little bit, you know, the normal looking jersey below the Carhartts in there. So the photo shoot with Boomhauer was perfect.
Last year it was Rob came to us and said, I've got this idea, and I said, you're crazy. And he said, I know, but I want to make this work, and I will die on this hill. This is going to happen. Steph Williams, I reached out to Steph. She's our head EMT here at the arena, and I knew that her family had a farm, and I didn't know how extensive it was. We got out there, it was really cool. Steph's parents have an unbelievable barn, and we were in there, and their collection of John Deere tractors, and then even the train, we got to go upstairs and check out the train, which I thought was really cool. Just talking with Shaw and asked him where he was from. He said Belleville, and I said, you know, in Belleville, you know, what is it like? And when we were on the farm, he's like, I feel at home right here.
I was so mad that I was away. We are on that 14-day road trip. I wanted to be there, but I was just kept looking at my phone, waiting for those to roll in.
You again?
Oh boy. It's just effort, Cons. Hey, guys. Help! Are you getting spot?
Shot, and they score! Ryan Wheeler. rebound, plays it in, and he scores! Isaiah Fox the touch, his first professional goal. And with 33.9 left, Isaiah Fox is welcome to the Thunder moment. And that's it. Your final here is the Wheeling Nailers 6, Adirondack Thunder 4. Splitting the weekend so far and set up for an epic final showdown. So stay tuned tomorrow. Maybe a brawl will ensue. We've had fights in both games this weekend. Tons.
Yeah, the whole weekend I thought was awesome. The fans were unbelievable. It was so loud in there, and you know, to have 2 of 3 games get sold out, and it was just rocking all weekend. And you can kind of see it coming there on that Sunday with all the rough stuff.
To go. Trying to hang on to a 1-0 lead is Adirondack. Loose puck, Adirondack a chance, Dylan Went plays it on goal. It's just wide, but he'll beat out the icing. Went to the front, and he scored! Dylan Went caps off the rubber match as the Thunder ice the Wheeling Nailers, trying to take this weekend series. So this weekend coming to a close, everybody involved with it. Christopher Collin comes in with 2 big right hooks. It's Golka held by the official, trying to go after Collin here. Another one on the far side as Golka comes across with a menacing right hook. And another fight on the far side, that's Skio. We've seen him involved in his fair share of affairs this weekend. Corsia involved with Skio. Skio takes him down and a tackle move, he's on top of it.
Congrats, boys. That's one of the greatest things I've ever seen. Hell of a win. Let's go celebrate.
Yeah!